Signalling a stormy start to the winter session of the Maharashtra Assembly, the opposition is ready to launch an all-out attack on the Chauhan government over the reinduction of NCP leader Ajit Pawar as the Deputy Chief Minister. While the BJP has decided to take to the streets, the Shiv Sena is expected to move a no-confidence motion against the government.
3 days after Ajit Pawar was re-inducted as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, the opposition is stepping up the offensive, with BJP calling for a massive protest against the re-induction of Pawar, who had stepped down following the allegations against him in the irrigation scam.
We will insist for SIT, and then when SIT is appointed, then we'll have a discussion on the white paper and all the things. So first we'll insist for the SIT. Tomorrow in the session, on the street, and also in the court, at all the three levels, all the three fronts, we are going to fight out with the government and we'll nail these corrupt ministers.
Even the Shiv Sena set to move a no-confidence motion against the Chauhan government.
The BJP is ready with the twofold strategy to counter the Maharashtra government in the winter session of the Assembly, both inside and outside the House. BJP legislatures will demand SIT probe into irrigation scam, while the leaders of the BJP will get onto the street with thousands of supporters to protest against the government.
But a defiant Pawar has maintained that white paper on irrigation scam proves his innocence.
श्वेत पत्रिका से लोगों के सामने रखा गया है और सबने देखा है कि एग्जैक्ट कितना एरिया इरिगेशन अभी हुआ है। ये हम पहले ही बताते थे कि उसमें सबने अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश की है।
The Maharashtra Assembly is all set for a stormy session, with heated arguments expected on the floor of the House today. Bureau Report, Times Now.